What's up guys, me Inex Gaming. Today I'll be bringing you the Family Guy, The Quest for Stuff. Oh. And wow, I finally beat him. I think we just completely missed out of a whole episode. Ew, Jesus, I destroyed something. Quahog. And years of drinking have destroyed my blah blah blah. Tap me and I'll put out the fire. Put out the fire.
Let's get to work.
Well done, Peter. Well done again. Done.
Sweet, high five.
Sweet high five. Hey, that finds out I found some coins in the rubble. Tap my house. Dude, you finished the house and you found Chris.
Please take me home.
Wow, Chris, you survived. Look, like the thick skull, good for nothing after all. Okay.
I want to come home.
Make Pete to
This place is a nut house.
tear away pants. Done.
Done.
Oh, we said it at the same time. Oh, nice.
I keep messing everything up.
Thanks for the... Oh. That doesn't look so good.
Yeah, it's weird.
Okay. Let's tap
I'm
them
doing
again.
the best I can.
Ah, I'm rich. No one cares if rich people pee themselves. Is it?
Yeah, it's weird.
Nah. No. Oh, you're so cheap. Yeah, thanks for giving me these socks. One day I'll make a woman out of you.
All right, raise some hell.
Yay, I'm unlocked. Hell yeah. Okay, but let's start close to home because I'm not allowed to cross the street. Right.
Am I right?
Our first quest is to get the cable back. Turn into Wolverine. What? Good.
That's awesome.
So, 1 second. Should we drag it?
Sounds like fun.
Wait.
I'm
So
sorry.
smart. Eh.
I'm reading you loud and clear.
Okay, we gotta rebuild the swamps of the house. Let's collect that, do that. Done. Yo, we found Bonnie.
You, bud.
Hi, Peter. Just Joe's not here, but I found our emergency kit. Sure. I hate spiders.
Oh, yeah.
Mate. Oh, cool.
No freaking way.
You can do roundhooks. Whoa. Oh, Peter.
Very good indeed.
Oh, yes. Peter has leveled up for the surfbird. And by doing that, he got there.
What's on your mind?
Here's the Abra line. Okay, now we're gonna get the hot flags. Get through. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh yeah. Pooya. Make
What are we doing? Oh boy!
make a new friend. What? Are you gonna make a new friend? Oh. Well, that's weird.
This is all my fault. I'm sorry.
You should be sorry.
I hate to bother you, but
Okay, Taco. Oh, how nice. He's all the way
I'm
with
just
us.
having fun.
Oh, how nice. The gals. Yeah. We are. Right.
I'm not worried.
I'll help Quahog. Big sail. Right. Let's do it, flower. There. I did it! Developed by pushing Joe's wheelchair. Okay, there's a chance to get
What's on your mind?
open quest. Help Bonnie do her
Oh,
bake
my.
sale. Bake sale?
Oh, yeah. That was amazing.
Really? How cool. Oh, that dance. Oh, how nice. Alright, Chris.
Well, what do we have today?
Dad, I'm too fat to help rebuild. Quahog, can you help me get into shape? No, go away. Oh wait, I need you. I'm old, I'm sick. Yes, I'll help. Oh my gosh. Fat kid who...
Wow. Awesome!
Did it? Chris. Ugh. Fartly. No.
What?
Dad, you wanna work out together? Sure. But if a girl is in yoga pants walk by, my attention's going there. Okay,
You came to the right place.
I can't do that.
but I can.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, Dad. Now I can rebuild. Right.
Peter Griffin here. What do you got?
Quagmire with all the... Clear. Right. Don't worry, Quagmire, we're coming. A great job. And we're out of ice cream sandwiches. Franklin! You've done good. Hell yes. Now there's a good chance.
Brace yourselves, because I have got big news.
Oh my god. Let's build Quagmire's house. Pee in the hot tub. It's a joke. Things everyone knows I do. No one knows I do it. Quagmire's house. Geek, geek. Building giggly gig. No, we're just gonna wait 1 minute, and at the moment we're just gonna look around. So we've got Peter Griffin.
Yep,
And what's Surf the Bird?
that's a great idea.
Okay, he's just gonna stay there and do that.
That's good.
Bake sale.
That's silly.
You're gonna insult me again. Just go away.
What the hell is this?
Oh.
Oh! Work out, Peter.
I'm pretty darn proud of myself.
Quagmire.
We're all just trying to have a good time.
Hey, Quagmire. Not good. I've got my cop. Oh. Giddy giddy. Oh. I'm mayor of comedy and I approve of this show.
Alright.
Help me get it out. Oh my
You
gosh.
should tweet that. Oh, cool.
Hello.
I'm not smart enough to be. Oh, I don't wanna.
That's right. You heard me.
And my butt scratch. Retry.
Oh God, yes.
Giggity giggity goo.
What?
Giggity giggity.
That's good. I'm just having fun. No, it's okay. I don't understand.
We're all just trying to have a good time.
They're shiny.
I'm not worried.
Oh, why not? I can't wait that long. Okay,
Giggity giggity goo.
thanks for these tissues. Now, I blow my nose and do stuff. Giggity giggity.
Giggity giggity.
Clamtastic. The guys. Hell yeah. You did it. Oh no, I'm a grown man. Yay for another grown man. 5 clams.
Oh my God, have you seen this?
Well, I've been working for 20 minutes, and by the rules of the weekends, that means I've had 2 hours. Okay, into the clam quarter. Right. Justin. I'm alright. Clear the block. 20 seconds.
What's up?
Okay, alright, I'm the only single guy, which means I'm self-conscious. Make... What?
Hello. Alright.
Okay. Right.
Well, what do we have today?
Okay. So this is actually being the end of going to be the end of this episode of the Family Guy for stuff, and next time we will be doing all the needs that Cohort need and probably find, hopefully, to get the other Joe. So yeah, I hope you like this episode, guys, and yeah, bye guys.